Tesla Model Y has only run 100,000 kilometers and it is out of charge. CSN wants to replace it with a new charger, which costs more than 10,000 yuan. I think it is very expensive. Contact us to repair. First, open the charger of Baozi 3 and the motorcycle and take a look at the charger circuit board. It is quite long. This piece is an EMI green cloth circuit, and measure it first. This is N, its neutral line, and this is a direct connection. This is L3 or 3, which is a direct connection. L2 or 2 is a direct connection. Lone Fire 1 is also straight through. This is the white display wire of the AC live wire offline. This is the main control core surface DSP. Let's measure the quality of the white display wire first. These white display wires are all straight through. These small ones are the drive transformer. Below is the PFT switch contact. This is its green cloth capacitor. This piece is its transformer. Remove the transformer and measure it for everyone. This is the negative side winding of BR7 that is passed through the primary winding of BR7. The system power output by the direct charger passes through the supply point pole and passes through the high-end port to charge the battery pack. The DTTT of the car outputs 16 ground piezoelectricity to charge the small power supply. Disassemble the circuits, and take a look at the back of the board. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Qian. This piece is in the PFC voltage generating rectifier circuit. The 4 amp tubes here are its LFC inverter circuit. This piece is its rectifier circuit. There are 4. Although its package is the same, it is a diode tube, which is a toy tube. Generally, the charger will give the coconut hemp green one when it is not charging. Let's check first. These are high voltage ones. The chain of smoked rice in the entrance forms a National Protection Normal Organization and is infinitely disconnected. This chain of smoked rice is connected to the live wire, but it has been short-circuited and passed through, which means it is broken. Replace it, install it in the car and try it. Let's take a look. Now the charging current is normal. We have fixed it.